How to order from Yupoo using Cnfans. Now the process is very easy. The very first thing that you want to do is access Cnfans and as well as Yupoo official website. Now what you want to do first is just to choose on a specific product where you would like to purchase from Yupoo. So for example, we will be choosing on this one. You just have to click on that. And then what you want to do next is just to copy the URL or link. Now go back to your Cnfans and then just simply paste it here. Now click on submit and then you will be redirected to the page in which you will have to fill out this form. Now product name is going to be this one right here. And then the product link is the URL directly from Yupoo. Specification does not matter actually. And then the image is the image of the product where you would like to be purchased. And that's it. That's how you purchase items from Yupoo using Cnfans.